Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Teddy. I'm going to show you how to download and install Mendeley Reference Manager. So when you're downloading and installing Mendeley, you simply come to your Google. Coming there, you go to search engine. Then you type Mendeley desktop download. You click on it. After you see it comes here. Then you click on download Mendeley. So here it will bring to you download now for Windows. There are other types of Mendeley Reference Manager. We have the one of download for Windows. We have others, Mendeley Reference Manager for macOS. We have one for Linux. So for us, we are tasked to download for Windows, and that is what I'm going to show you. So after that, you click on download now. So okay, here after downloading, the Mendeley will just go straight to your files in your PC. Now we have downloaded it, so you can minimize or you can close your Google now. You close. Then after, you come to your PC. You come here. You click on it, you double click. Remember, I told you when you download Mendeley, it goes straight to your it comes to your downloads here. Then there you click on downloads. You see we have it already here, Mendeley Reference Manager. So after, you double click on your Mendeley. Then you click on next. Then you click next. You will now come here and install your Mendeley. Then you click on install. So we have already installed our Mendeley. It will come as it will bring us to signing in, and where here now you enter your email. For example, I will enter my email. You enter your email, then you click on continue. Here you put in your details. Your given name, for me it is Teddy, then family name. Then you put a strong password, maybe then as you are entering, it will show you whether the password is weak, fair and strong. Right now this one is the strong one. Once you are done, you come here, you register. So by doing that, we have already downloaded and installed our Mendeley. So after that, so now you can see our Mendeley is here on our desktop. So that is simply how to download and install your Mendeley Reference Manager. I hope you have learned. Bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye.